When it comes to machine learning in the cloud, there are two major platforms you'll often hear about: BigQuery ML and Amazon Redshift ML. Both are designed to make machine learning more accessible to analysts, but each has its own strengths, features, and integrations that could make one better suited to your needs. Let's dive into how they stack up for analyst-driven machine learning in the cloud. First up, let's talk about BigQuery ML. BigQuery is Google Cloud's fully managed serverless data warehouse. With BigQuery ML, Google has made it possible for data analysts to build, train, and deploy machine learning models directly within BigQuery. No need for data science expertise or complex pipelines. Analysts can simply use SQL queries to run machine learning tasks like classification, regression, and clustering, without having to export data to other tools. What's great about BigQuery ML is its simplicity and integration. It allows analysts to apply machine learning on the data stored in BigQuery without moving it anywhere else. You can build models in a familiar SQL environment, meaning that if you already know SQL, you don't need to learn a new programming language like Python or R. The tool also supports popular algorithms such as linear regression, K-means clustering, and even deep learning models through TensorFlow. For analysts who are already working with BigQuery for data warehousing, BigQuery ML brings machine learning into the same workflow. Now let's switch over to Amazon Redshift ML. Like BigQuery ML, Redshift ML allows analysts to create machine learning models directly inside their data warehouse. But this time it's within Amazon Redshift, AWS's cloud data warehouse. Redshift ML integrates with Amazon's SageMaker, AWS's more advanced machine learning platform, which means you can leverage SageMaker's powerful capabilities, such as automated model tuning and advanced algorithms, right from your Redshift console. One of Redshift ML's key features is its integration with the broader AWS ecosystem. If your data is already in Amazon Redshift, using Redshift ML is a natural choice. You can easily build machine learning models using SQL, just like in BigQuery ML, but you also get the added benefit of accessing a broader suite of machine learning tools if you need them. Redshift ML also benefits from Amazon's infrastructure, providing high performance and scalability. It's designed to work with large-scale datasets, just like BigQuery. Since it integrates with SageMaker, you can easily experiment with more advanced models when necessary, or even automate parts of the process through SageMaker Studio. It also offers great support for teams already embedded in the AWS ecosystem. In conclusion, BigQuery ML is ideal for teams within Google Cloud looking for simplicity, speed, and ease of use for less complex models. Redshift ML, on the other hand, gives you a more robust connection to AWS and SageMaker, with more advanced capabilities waiting if you need them.